Yo, what's going on YouTube? If you don't know who I am, my name is Matt, and I'm the founder of Easy Algo, which is the top trading algorithm across all markets. So if you're currently trading cryptocurrency, stocks, forex, and you're looking for a buy-sell indicator, and you don't want to do TA, and you just want to do hands-off algorithmic trading, then this is the indicator for you. So we're on the 5-minute XRP chart, and this was from early yesterday, and we'll kind of go along and I'll show you how accurate the signals are. This is the only buy and sell indicator that you need. I've done research myself. I've tried to find the best buy and sell indicator. None of them were accurate, none of them were profitable, and I've tried every single buy sell indicator that you can find. For the past couple of years actually, I've been trying to find the best buy sell indicator and I just couldn't find it. So what did I do? I made my own. So this is the indicator that I use. It's the only indicator that I use, along with some simple technical analysis. And yeah, that's all anyone really needs. So I'm going to kind of show you guys what it entails, how to use it, etc., etc. So I'm on the XRP 5-minute chart. This is from yesterday, and I'll show you other assets after this. So within Easy Algo, we have three main indicators, right? We have the buy-sell signals right here. We have the support and resistance levels. Now this is crucial. These are automatic support and resistance levels. So if you're not super advanced with technical analysis and you don't know exactly how to draw each and every support and resistance level, then this indicator is definitely for you. It will do that automatically, right? So next we have the trend ribbon. Now this is actually a Heikin-Ashi trend ribbon, which shows you the overall trend of the market. If I turn off everything else, you'll be able to see it better right here. So as soon as it turns blue, right, that's when you're in an uptrend, and then as soon as it turns red, now you're in a downtrend. This is just another confirmation. But honestly, what you really want to be doing is trading just with the buy and sell signals. So I'm on the 5-minute chart. This works across any time frame, any market. But let's look at XRP, right? So we have a sell signal right here, okay? Look at that, bam. Now, if you're using leverage, this 3% can turn into 30, 50, 100, 300%, depending on your position size and how much leverage you are using. But I definitely recommend a trade with at least some leverage if you're going to be trading on these smaller time frames, because the gains are just too great. So there we go, 3% right there. Then we got another buy signal right here. Maybe take half your profit at 1%. Did we get it? Bam. Move stop loss to break even. That's a winning trade right there. Another sell signal. And this indicator really just times the market perfectly. Now, I don't have to sell this indicator to you. I don't have to release it, but I want to, because I want to see people win, and I want to help as many people as I can. And when I started trading, I know that I struggled a lot finding those perfect entries and exits, and I'm confident I've created a system that kind of takes the guesswork out of trading and removes the emotion. And this is back tested, right? We back tested this for, as long as this indicator has been in existence, and it works, right? Month over month, year over year, it works. So you can kind of see for yourself. I mean, wow, this just killed it on XRP recently. Now I do want to make something clear, right? When you see an indicator like this, they're not always going to be 100% accurate. For example, we have this buy signal right here. We're still in an overall downtrend, right? And as you can see, there's a resistance level right here. So it might have not been a great time to buy this buy signal, because you're buying right into resistance. As you can see, there's this red resistance line right here that can be actually seen within Easy Algo. Here are all the support levels. But you're actually buying into resistance, so it might have not been a good time to buy. So what you want to do with this indicator is you want to make sure it comes down to a support level, which would be one of these blue lines, and then sell at a resistance level. For example, right here, right here, right here, right here. Even right here maybe would be a good sell, because it just hit this resistance level. So that's what you really want to be doing, is buying at support, selling at resistance, and these buy sell signals are just confirmation. Now that being said, you can still make money with these trades, right? So even if I enter this buy signal right here, I can take profit at 0.5%, 1/4%, or at least move my stop loss to break even. So that's what you want to be doing when you're taking these trades, is as soon as you're in profit, take a small amount of profit and move your stop loss to break even, or just move your stop loss to break even. Because when you're in a winning trade, you don't want that to turn into a losing trade. So as soon as you can turn your stop loss to break even, please do so. So this is how you can, double or even triple your money on a day-to-day basis. And I know that sounds crazy, but you have to think about it, right? If we have a move right here on this buy signal, and we're throwing in, let's say, $100 on 100x leverage. We're doing super high leverage trading, and we take profit at 1%, and our stop loss is at 0.5%, right? We would have just doubled our money, right? Maybe take profit at 1%, bam. Now you're at $200. Let's enter this short right here, right? Goes down 1%, bam. Now you're at 400. You know, another buy signal, right? Take profit at 1%, bam. Now you're at 800. Look at 1600. And if scalping is too high stress for you, that's totally fine. I personally don't scalp myself. I trade on the 2-hour plus, but if you want to trade on the 1 hour, 2-hour chart, I'm here on Bitcoin on the 1 hour chart, and I'm not showing you guys weeks ago, okay? I'm not showing you guys months ago when this algorithm was killing it. I'm showing you real time right now what it looks like, so you know exactly what you're going to get if you decide to purchase this algorithm. I want this to be accessible to anyone that wants to take trading seriously and really start becoming a profitable trader. It doesn't get much easier than this. So if you would like to use this indicator for yourself and finally start becoming a profitable trader, then first link in description. I'm going to be coming out with a ton of new content and strategies, real strategies, like those that I included in the downloadable PDF that comes with the indicator. And I'm going to be showing you guys some of these strategies that I use personally, and how you can make, 50, 100% gains a day. So if that's something that you're interested in, subscribe to the channel, Easy Trades, and I'll see you guys next time.